Hello, my little fiddle friends. Today we are practicing Grumpy Pirate from the book Fiddle and Song. This is a great book if you're looking for some basic fiddle tunes to play, or you're looking for a fancy fiddle break to play along with some of your favorites. Let's get started. Here's what the A part sounds like. Break that down. Let's start off with our first finger on the E string, and we're going to play What Would You Do with a Grump? We're going to leave out the next part. So long, short, short, long, short, short, long. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. You should be at the top of your bow, ready to take an up bow. The next 3 notes are 1 on A, 3 on A, 1 on E. So let's practice just that part. Go back to the top of your bow, put your 1 on A. Ready, play. 3, 1 on E. Good. Let's do it together 3 times. 1 on A, 3 on A, 1 on E. Okay, get your 1 on A ready. Ready, and now play. Again. Now play. Again. Remember to start at the top of your bow. And play. Good. Let's add that to 1, 3, 1. Here we go. 1 on E, down bow. Let's go a little slower. 1, 2, ready, play. 1 on A, 3 on A, 1 on E. Nice. Stop the video and practice until you have that. All right, the next part is very similar. We're going to do What Would You Do with a Grump? We're going to do it on open E. All right, so here we go. Open E. 1, 2, ready, play. Now we need E pirate, right? So rock your bow to the A string and play A, 2 on A for C sharp, open E. Yeah, let's practice those 3 notes. Go back to the top of your bow, open A, 2 on A, open E. One more time, top of your bow, open A, 2 on A, open E. So let's do the open E to A to E. Okay, here we go. Open E, ready, play. A, 2 on A, open E. Nice. Stop the video and practice until you can play that. Once you've got that, let's put those 2 things together. 1 on E to 1, 3, 1, and open E to A, 2, E. All right? Let's do it a little slower than that though. Get your 1 ready. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 3, 1, open E. A, 2 on A, open E. Nice. All right, the next part is similar. It starts off the same with an F sharp, 1 on E. Like that, we know that part already. But then you have to go up the scale. So we do 2 on E, 3 on E. Notice how 2 and 3 are next to each other. Then we have to use pinky finger, which is kind of a big stretch. 4 on E, back to 3, 1, open E, 2 on A, 1 on A, slow bow, slow bow. It's kind of hard to get an idea when I keep stopping like that. So I'm going to play the whole second line for you. 1 on E, right? Let's do it together, but really slowly. Be ready to go up the scale with 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. F sharp's ready, 1 on E. Ready, and now play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, open E, 2 on A, 1 on A. Nice. All right, let's do the whole second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now you have the first and second lines, and that makes up the A part. Whew. Are you ready for the B part? It's similar. I think you're going to be okay. So here we go. It starts off on our F sharp with 2 long bows. Just like that. Hey, ho. And now we're going to go up. She rises. And you'll notice that this is very similar to the first line. 1 on E, then we hop over to 1 on A, 3 on A, 1 on E. This is just like in the first line. E pirate, grumpy pirate. So we have hey, ho, and up she rises. Now here's the second part. Still just like the second part of the first line. Open E, and E, A, 2 on A, E. See how that's like the first line? All right. Now, for my students, we add a little bit extra. In the book, it goes like this. Hey, ho, up she rises. My students, we add a little up bow. We go hey, ho, and up she rises. Hey, ho, and up. So we have a down, up, down for hey, ho, and up she rises. Okay? All right, now here's the very last line. It's very similar to the second line. All right, it starts on F sharp. You can add that little extra note, and we go right up just like before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, E, 2, 1, 1. I went through that really fast, but we already practiced it in the second line, right? All right, let's do the whole B part. So now we're starting on the third line. I'm going to do the little extra notes. If you don't do that, that's fine. You do it however you like. So here we go. This is the third line, the B part. Get your F sharps ready, 1 on E. Let's go kind of slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1 on A, 3, 1 on E. Open E. Open A, 2, E, back to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, E, 2 on A, 1. Okay, you are working hard. Good job. So, let's play the whole song. Here's the A section. 1 on E. What would you do grumpy pirate. 1, 2, you know what to do. B section. And there you go. That's the whole song. For my beginning students, we go like this. We do 1 on E, F sharp, and we just do 4 of those. What would you do with a grumpy pirate? Then we do 4 open E's. What would you do with a grumpy pirate? Then we go back to 1 on E, and we do 4 of those. What would you do with a grumpy pirate? Then we do 2 E's, early in the, and 2 F sharps, morning. So that's the very basic pizzicato accompaniment that you can use if you're playing like in a group and somebody else is taking a solo. You can back them up. So let's do that together. 4 F sharps, 4 open E's, 4 F sharps, and then 2 E's, 2 F sharps. Here we go. Get your F sharp ready. Make sure when you're doing pizzicato that you're here. You're not here. Here, right? Okay. F sharps. 1, 2, you know what to do. What would you do with a grumpy pirate? What would you do with a grumpy pirate? What would you do with a grumpy pirate early in the morning? Great. Easy, right? You can do the same exact sequence for the B part. Hey ho, and up she rises. Same thing. All right, now if you want to use your bow, you can do this. Land, play. Whoops, don't do that. If you want to use your bow, you can do this. Land, play, land, play, land, play, land, play, land, play, land, play. And it's okay if you hear the bow landing. It's kind of cool, actually. What would you do with a grumpy pirate? What would you do with a grumpy pirate? What would you do with a grumpy pirate early in the morning? All right, my little fiddlers, have fun. Good luck. See you soon.